So folks, I'm away today, as you can see, but I've made a recording so that it's almost as if I'm there. And so I expect you to have your notebooks out and to be as active in the lesson as you usually are. And so right now, what I want to do is I want to review the three transformations we've looked at. I also want to say that you still have your quiz on Thursday. Tomorrow, we're going to have a review period. And so you have time to ask me questions. We'll go through the homework from today. We can go through the homework for 4.2. So the quiz is not changing, right? And I plan on being back today by lunchtime. So you can come to extra help in room 214. I will most likely be there. Okay? All right. So let's first of all review all the transformations. The first one, what does the A do? Right? The A is my vertical stretch or compression, and we also call it a reflection in the x-axis. Okay, so go ahead and make your parabola, right? This is our parent function. Yes, everyone, I know, I'm looking at you. Get your hands up, right? Make your parabola. Okay, now, what does this do? Yep, it makes the parabola narrow. It's a vertical stretch. What does this do? Yeah, it makes our parabola even more narrow, right? It's a greater vertical stretch. How about this? Right? You can't see my hand, but I'm opening it up more because this is a vertical compression, right? When we have a fraction in front of the x squared, it means my parabola is opening up. It's being compressed. Ooh, what does this do? Zoop. So I hope that everyone's holding their hands upside down, right? You've got your parabola that is reflected in the x-axis. Okay, so it's now A is negative 1/3, right? Look at your partners. Just look at what others are doing. Do you all agree? It's opening down and it's really wide. Okay, this one, reflected in the x-axis, right? So upside down, and in this case, it's narrow. Moving on to the K. This is our vertical translation. And we remember that when K is 5, what do we do? Show me with your hands. Yeah, good. So the parabola moves up 5 steps. X squared minus 3. Excellent. Good. I'm seeing everyone put their hand, take their parabolas down, still opening up, right? Because look what's in front of the x squared. Nothing, right? There isn't a negative, so the parabola opens up. Moving on to the horizontal translation. This one's a bit tricky. So when we have x plus 2, that means that our h is actually negative 2. So where does your parabola move? Right, we're horizontally translating. Look at others if you're not sure. That's right, we went 2 in the negative direction. What does this do? Right, so when it says x minus 3, that means now we're translating to the right 3 steps. Okay, careful, careful. Notice there's a negative in front. So all that means is just you flip it upside down, right? The parabola opens down, but it still moves 5 in the negative direction, 5 to the left. All right, so let's put all of this together. Firstly, there's no a value, a is 1. Here we just have an h and k. So get your parent parabola and go ahead and move. Okay, talk with your partner. What's the new vertex? Right, your new vertex is negative 7, right? 7 to the left, 2 down. So the new vertex is negative 7, comma, negative 2. All right, let's try this one. Okay, so hopefully everyone moved 4 to the left and opened up a wide parabola. Here's another one. Okay, I'm seeing hands go upside down. Good. Are we going right or left 3 spaces? Right. Good. In the positive direction, and then 4 up. And in this case, do we have a maximum or a minimum? Everyone out loud, be active. Good, it's a maximum. And what is the value of the maximum? Excellent, it's 4. Okay, let's try this one. So now we've got it all, A, H, and K. Look at your partner, talk, see what they got. Great. Where is the vertex? Okay, talk with your partner. Good. So the vertex is -10, -3. The parabola is upside down. It is stretched, so it's narrow. Okay, try this one. Okay, think to yourself, where is the vertex? Okay, so the vertex is -4, -1. What does the 1/3 do? Well, it opens it up widely, so we have a vertical compression. Okay, that's everything. So that was a good little review. I'm going to post this slideshow and also this video. So if it's good for you to just go through it and practice with your hands, that would be wonderful.